Hi guys, I'm here again because I missed few important information about using T-Money card and I forgot to explain how to really use them and most importantly how to get a refund on what you have left unused in your card. This is how you use the card just like America and other countries. You basically tap on and off whenever you get on or get off a bus, and this rule applies to subway too. Also, I said about you can transfer up to 5 times within 30 minutes from getting off in the previous video, but it was 5 times including the first vehicle, which means you can transfer 4 times. I'm so sorry for your false information. One more thing, you cannot transfer to the same number of buses or to the same line of subways. So for example, if you got off the number 1 bus and then take the number 1 bus again, you wouldn't be eligible to get a discount, loss of money. To get a refund on the money in your card, depend on how much you have left in your card, you can simply go to a convenience stores to get a refund. If you have less than 20,000 won, you can go visit the T-Money Service Center, which is located in every subway station, to get a refund up to 50,000 won at once. Refund fee is only 500 won each time. Make sure you get a refund before you leave Korea. Okay? That's it for today's video. I decided to make a quick video so you guys don't miss out. Anyway, thanks for watching this video again. Next video will be about inner city buses and express buses. Those are really convenient to travel around in Korea. You guys must know how to use. Thanks for watching this video again. I hope you guys enjoyed it today and I will see you in next videos. Bye! Refund fee is 5,000 won? No, it's not 5,000 won. And I also said about you can transfer 5 times, up to 5 times in 30 minutes, but it's getting enough. To get a refund on the money in your card, you can go visit